Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. We will continue lecture number 24 from first year class and exercise 2.2. We are going to start it. The question is, exhibit A union B and A intersection B by Venn diagram in following cases. Question number 1. We have to draw A union B and A intersection B. A union B, A intersection B. Whereas first part is given A is contained in B. A is contained in B, A is a subset of B. First of all, we will draw this given information. This is your diagram for both the cases. Universal A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. This is the Venn diagram of this. A is a subset of B, this rotation. Now we will have A union B. This is universal. Union B to combine. In case of combination, you will shade this all. This is A union B. Combine both the sets. And A intersection B. In case of A intersection B, we have common members of two sets, A and B. Which elements are present in both sets? Definitely, members of A are also the member of B. So, this portion is common in both. So, this is shaded, this will show the intersection of A and B. I hope that you can do second part. And part number 3, A union A complement. Remember that part number 3, A union A complement. First of all, you can check this is A. Shade this in. This is it. You have A. After that, A complement is universal minus A. It means that from universal you will leave A. You will subtract A from universal. And that part will be your A complement. From the universal, you leave this A. That part will be A complement. This is A complement. Now take the union of both. Union means to combine both. A union A complement. This is shaded portion and this is outside A shaded portion. When you take union, you can combine them all. So in this way, this will be your A union A complement. I hope that you understood this. After that, we have A and B are disjoint sets and A and B are overlapping. Point number 4. A and B are disjoint. A and B disjoint. If A and B are disjoint, then their Venn diagram will be like that. A and B, this is universal. They are disjoint sets. So A union B, what is A union B? To combine both. This is A union B. In case of intersection B, dear student, nothing is common. A and B, universal set, that is empty set, 5. No shading. Nothing is common. So this is your answer. After that, I think you can do part number 5. Question number 2. Show A minus B and B minus A are Venn diagrams when A or B are overlapping. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Question number 2. We have to show A difference B, B difference A. A difference B and B difference A. Whereas the sets are given, A and B are overlapping. Remember that their figure is, this is the figure of your given question. This is A and B are overlapping. This is the shape, this is the figure, Venn diagram of your question. Now we will check these operations on that. What about A difference B? Members of A which are not in B. Remember that A difference B means elements of A which are not in B. Which are the elements of A which are not in B? This one. Members of A which are not in B, actually this part is also a part B and also part A. So that's why we are considering this part in B. Similarly, B minus A. Members of B which are not in A. Members of B which are not in A. That is B difference A. That is my diagram. After that, dear students, question number 3. For question number 3, you can check the page 39, the previous page 39, and you can find your answers. They are simply the MCQs, they are simply the condition to check. For example, A union B is equal to A. A union B is equal to A. You can check from fourth relation. In case of fourth, what is the condition? B is a subset of A. A union B is equal to B on the previous page 39. You can check point number 3. In point number 3, if A is a subset of B, then the result suggested is A union B is equal to B. I hope that you can do the other parts from here. After that, question number 4, A, B, C, this is universal set, and you know about these, but we can do some of the parts from here. Question number 4. Question number 4. First part is find A complement. A complement. What about A complement? Universal minus A. Universal minus A. What is universal? From 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10. And A is set of even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. You can check it. Universal minus A, that is A complement. So from universal you will leave these members, but left you write down here. You will subtract these numbers from here, from universal set. What left? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the members of universal which are not in A. Actually, A complement is the members of universal set which are not in A. That is your required answer. Similarly, you can find B complement. What will be universal minus B? 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10. Minus B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will leave these members from this universal set. You subtract these members from universal set. What left here? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in this way you will find A complement and B complement. A union B, you combine them. A difference B, elements of A which are not in B. Elements of A which are not in B. That is A difference B. A difference B. For example, part number 4, A difference B. What are A? Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will subtract, you will leave these members from here. What left here you will write down. Look at that. 2 is present here, cancel out. 4 is present here, cancel out. What left in A? 6, 8 and 10. That is your A difference B. So in this way, I hope that you can do other parts. After that, question number 5, using Venn diagram if necessary, find a single set equal to the following. Use Venn diagram if necessary, find a single set equal to the following. Number 5, A complement. You have to find A complement. What is A complement? Universal minus A. This is A. In previous question we did that. What is A complement? Members of universal which are not in A. This is A complement. Outside A, this is A complement. Similarly, A intersection, universal and a union universal. A intersection universal what is common in intersection mean common in both. What is the common in universal and A? Definitely A is common in universal and A. This is your answer. And if A union universal union mean to combine the sets. Combine mean union universal and A are combined to get this is A union universal. All members universal and A all member included in union. Here common member of universal and A are included. After that A union empty set again A phi intersection A phi is phi empty set. Question number 6, use Venn diagram to verify that. Use Venn diagrams to verify. Dear students, we have number 1, A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. First of all, we are not given the nature of A and B. So it is our choice. We can take A and B disjoint. We can take A and B are overlapping. Or A is a subset of B or B is a subset of A. Remember that I told you already that there are 4 possible relationships between A and B. So here we can take any one because no option is given. So we are left with our own choice. So that's why let A and B are overlapping. Let A and B are overlapping. So the diagram of your question will be like that. A and B, this is universal. This is the Venn diagram of your choice. After that, we will take left hand side and right hand side and we have to prove that they are equal. First of all, left hand side, A difference B. Members of A which are not in B. Members of A which are not in B. Remember that this is your left hand side. This is your left hand side. For right hand side, first of all, we will shade A separately, B complement separately, then we will take intersection of both. Maybe this is not given in your book in this way, but I am going in this way so that the students can understand easily and part-wise solution can be found and it will be easy for you people. So first of all, we will shade A, then we will shade B complement, then we will take the intersection of both at the end. This is A. Remember that diagram will remain the same for all. This is your diagram of your question. So what about A? A is this one. Shade A. After that we have B complement. What is B complement? Universal minus B mean members of universal which are not in B. B complement is members of universal which are not in B. Members of universal which are not in B. Yes. This is your B complement. Now, right hand side is their intersection. Right hand side is equal to A intersection B complement. So intersection means common part of both. This is shaded, this is not shaded. It is not common. Which part is shaded? This shaded and this shaded. A and B, this part is shaded. And you can check your left hand side. This is your left hand side. So right hand side, first we shaded A, then shaded B complement, then we took intersection, that was your right hand side. After that, you can check which part is shaded in both. It will come in your answer, and that is your right hand side. Hence, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's your answer. That is your answer. I hope that you understood this one. Along with this, your part number 1 of question number 6 finished. Similarly, question number 6 part 2, A minus B complement, A minus B complement, intersection B is equal to B. Again, we are not given the nature of A and B, relation between A and B. Let A and B are disjoint. This time I am taking disjoint. If A and B are disjoint, then definitely your Venn diagram will be like that. This one. Now this time we will take right hand side first, because it is a single set which can easily be drawn and easily be shaded. This is A, this is B, universal. B is B shaded. This is your right hand side. Remember that left hand side, you must have left hand side the same one. Here is B. This is B also. So we can use this B for our purpose of intersection. First we will draw A difference B. A difference B. Members of A which are not in B. That is A difference B. Members of A which are not in B. This is A difference B. Here. This is A difference B. Dear students, A difference B is members of A which are not in B. And what about complement? Complement is opposite to that. A minus B complement means complement of that. Complement means leaving this A and everything will be shaded. Yes. Complement. Complement means universal minus A difference B. What was A difference B? A difference B was that. Now from the universal you subtracted A difference B. Everything but left that is shaded. Now dear students, you got this portion. This portion. Now what about left hand side? Left hand side is equal to A minus B complement intersection B. You can check. A minus B complement is this one and B is this. What is common in both? Intersection means common. So A minus B complement and intersection this B. So what is common in both? You can easily understand the common in both is B. And that was your left hand side, or rather right hand side, and this is your left hand side. So both answers are same. Hence, left hand side is equal to the right hand side. I hope that you understood these part-wise steps. Sometimes these diagrams are not given in this way in your book, but yes, horizontal line, vertical line, then crossing, etc., etc. I think it is very easy to understand. Move part-wise, step-wise, and then at the end you can join them. First you draw A difference B, then took A difference B complement, then B was shaded, then take complement intersection. Intersection means both, which are present in both. So from this diagram to this diagram, which are present in both, this part B is common. That is shaded at the end, and that's your answer. So this exercise is finished. Dear students, I hope that you will practice these questions which I left for you people, and you can understand them, and inshallah in the next lecture we will continue our next lecture with the analytical proof of your operation on sets. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.